Today we are playing Book of Monsters. I know. Scary monster. So the round already started, so we're just trying to... So the objective of the game is to get over onto these monsters and press their button. There are different modes like Juggernaut and normal. So let's start. Die. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Dang it. There are gadgets and something called the hammer, which lets you destroy blocks. And other gadgets let you do other things. And diving mechanics, because you can't make a game without diving mechanics, apparently. Alright, I'm about to do it. I wish I could turn this off sometimes. I pressed that button! Press the cookies button. Alright. Make it to this tree. Let's go. Couldn't do it, sad face. Ah! No, it's too ink. It's too inky. I don't like the ink. Oh, there's one. The button. Oh, this is their last button? Alright. This should be good. Let me just get the force field. I pressed their button! Last, yes! I pushed their button. Ow, cookies hurt my heart. Yes, take all the cookies and the donuts. Ooh, I love cookies and donuts. Oh, jeez. No, not the cookies and the donuts. I'm gonna die soon. Oh, shoot! Oh, are you serious? You gotta hit me with a meteor at the worst time possible. Nope, not taking that, not taking that. Thank you very much! Stop hitting me with meteors! I'm scared enough. Oh, jeez. Flip! And I'm dead. Alright, let's go. Food. But I did not know they were spawning right there. Out of all places. What? Excuse me, I have pushed your button. Kitty cat. Kitty cat gonna die. Kitty cat going down. Press the button. Yes! I mean, they're a cat. That name is fitting. Oh, shoot. No, dang it! Sad face. I didn't want to die. Well, I didn't die, but I didn't want to get my heart broken, or one of my 3 hearts broken, because I have 3 hearts for some reason. Die. Oh, okay. I swear, if you go into that mode, I'm gonna be so annoyed. Yes! Alright, let's go. I'm dead. Give me all those donuts. There's a kitty. Out of all things you can do. Oh, this kitty cat angy. This kitty cat is very angy. I do not like this kitty cat. I hit their button. I hit their button somehow. Good thing I wasn't trying to get their button there. Die. Shoot, shoot. Yes! Yes! Oh! Oh, I got them. That counts, right? That counts. That should count. No, that didn't count! Oh, I'm a monster. This is gonna go well. This is gonna go really well. I love being a monster. Time for him to die. I've already broken 2 hearts. That's good. Oh, 3. R. And 4 hearts. 4 hearts down the drain. Okay, single point of damage done. Oh, already hit it. Got a heart. Got a heart stolen too. That's sad. Die. Burn. I broke what's heart? Got a quest done. Get back here! Ah, take that. This is so annoying. I don't like this. How many hearts do I have? 2? Okay, that's fine. I can lose another. No, I don't want to lose another heart, though. I lost one anyway. Time for you to die. Back here. Yes. More hearts. Yes, use your ability. That brings them closer. Back here. Haha! Ooh, chicken. It died to the chicken. I was gonna go get them, but they died to the chicken. Well, dang it. I'm scared now. I have 1 heart. I don't like having 1 heart only. That's scary. Not you pressed my button. That should have counted. He pressed my button. He's too close for comfort. Right now, he's too close for comfort, so I'm gonna try to burn him. And I'm dead. Well, that was all for today's video. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe. You can always unsubscribe later. And hit that notification bell if you can. See ya!